In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to allow anyone to upload files to your Google Drive folder. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Let's dive right in. The first thing you need to do is access Google Drive. Open up your web browser and navigate to the Google Drive homepage. Once you're there, make sure you log into your account if you aren't logged in already. Now that you're in your Google Drive, you might want to select an existing folder where you'd like others to upload their files. If you don't have a folder ready, don't worry. It's super easy to create a new one. Just look for the New button located in the top left corner of the screen. Click on it, and then select Folder. Go ahead and name that folder something relevant to the files that will be uploaded. Once you have your folder selected or created, the next step is to open the Share settings. To do this, you'll need to right-click on the folder you've just chosen. A menu will pop up, and from there select the option that says Share. Now we're getting to the part where you can let others upload their files. In the Share settings window, you'll see a field where you can enter email addresses. This is where you add the people you want to have permission to upload files. You can enter multiple email addresses if you want. Just make sure to double-check that they're correctly spelled so your friends or colleagues get the access they need. After you've added the email addresses, pay close attention to the drop-down menu next to them. This is a critical step. You need to change the permissions from the default setting, which is typically Viewer, to Editor. Click on that drop-down and select Editor. This is important because without editor access, they won't be able to upload or organize files within that folder. So make sure you've set it to Editor for each address you added. Once you've successfully set the permissions, you're almost done. The final step is to send the invitation. Simply click on the Send button. This action will notify the recipients via email, and they'll receive an invitation with a link to access the folder. Once they get that email, they can click on the link and jump right in to upload their files. This makes collaboration so much easier, right? You can organize the files, share projects, or even gather all sorts of documents without having to send files back and forth endlessly. And that's it. You've successfully set up your Google Drive folder to allow anyone you choose to upload files. I hope you found this video helpful. Please remember that if you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments section. If you found this useful, again, consider subscribing and liking the video. Thanks for watching, and happy collaborating.